The reset button on your Lennox AC unit is a safety feature designed to restart the system after a fault, like an overload or short circuit. If it's not working, it means the system can't clear error codes and restart. This could be due to several reasons, including simple issues like power surges, dirt accumulation, or faulty wiring, to more complex problems like a stuck solenoid or electrical faults within the unit. The reset button on a Lennox AC unit is typically located on the outdoor unit's control board. This board houses the electrical components that control the system's operation. Looking closely at the control board, you'll find the reset button, usually colored red or black. It's prominently placed for easy access during maintenance. The button's primary function is to manually trip the circuit breaker, resetting the system after a fault. Think of it as a safety override that clears error states and allows the AC to restart. Before calling a technician, try these basic troubleshooting steps. First, unplug the AC unit for about 30 seconds to reset the power completely. Next, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds while plugging the unit back in. This should clear any error states and restart the system. If there's still no response, use a multimeter to check for voltage at the button terminals. It should read around 24 volts AC. Remember to always disconnect power before attempting any electrical checks for your safety. Several common issues can cause the Lennox AC reset button to fail. One frequent problem is dirt accumulation around the button or on the control board, which can interfere with electrical contacts. Corrosion can also build up, especially in older units, affecting the button's conductivity and creating resistance in the circuit. Faulty wiring, where connections become loose or damaged, prevents proper signal transmission. A simple visual inspection often reveals these problems before they require major repairs. If the basic steps don't work, the problem might lie in the low voltage control board. This component manages the electrical signals that control your AC unit's functions. The low-voltage control board contains components like capacitors and relays that can fail due to discharge issues or malfunctions. Capacitors can discharge improperly, preventing the board from maintaining proper voltage levels and causing reset failures. Relays can stick or fail to switch electrical circuits, blocking the reset signal from reaching other components. While diagnosing these issues can be complex, cleaning the board with compressed air and ensuring proper connections can sometimes resolve the problem. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, it's best to call a professional to avoid safety risks and further damage. Lennox has integrated advanced app-based diagnostics into their iComfort system, allowing you to perform virtual resets through your smartphone. This smartphone integration reduces your reliance on the physical reset button, making troubleshooting more convenient. The iComfort app provides virtual reset options, allowing you to clear error codes and restart your system remotely. First, check if your Lennox model supports the iComfort system by verifying compatibility in the app or on Lennox's website. Firmware updates often address button responsiveness issues by enabling remote troubleshooting features. If your unit is compatible, explore the app-based reset options by opening the iComfort app and navigating to the Diagnostics section. Virtual resets can clear error codes and restart your system without needing to access the physical button outdoors. This modern approach makes HVAC maintenance easier and more accessible through your smartphone. Many DIY fixes have been successfully reported online, demonstrating that simple repairs can often resolve Lennox AC reset button issues. For example, a Reddit user encountered corrosion buildup on their unit's electrical contacts. By carefully cleaning the corroded areas with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth, they restored full button functionality in just a few minutes. This case highlights how regular maintenance can prevent such problems. Another common fix involves bypassing a faulty button using jumper wires, as shown in a popular YouTube tutorial. An HVAC technician demonstrated connecting jumper wires to bridge the button circuit on a Merit ML14XC1 unit. This temporary solution allowed the system to reset without replacing the button, saving on repair costs. However, This should only be attempted by those comfortable with basic electrical work. These real-world examples demonstrate that many reset button issues can be resolved through straightforward DIY methods. However, safety must always come first. Before attempting any repairs, ensure the unit is completely disconnected from power to prevent electrical shock. If you're not comfortable with the process or suspect deeper electrical problems, it's best to consult a certified HVC professional to avoid potential hazards or further damage. If you've exhausted the basic troubleshooting steps and the reset button still isn't working, it's essential to call a qualified HVAC technician. Complex issues like electrical faults, control board malfunctions, or refrigerant problems require professional diagnosis and repair tools. Electrical faults involve wiring problems, voltage issues, or component failures that need specialized testing equipment. Complex board malfunctions may require firmware updates or component replacement. Refrigerant issues demand proper handling of pressurized systems to avoid health and environmental risks. Remember, safety comes first. Working with electrical systems or refrigerant can cause injury, fire hazards, or environmental damage if not done correctly. Professionals have the training, certifications, and insurance to handle these safely.